everyone, welcome back to Bo Toun Design Interior Reimagined. That's when you get your furniture destroyed. So as an interior designer, one of my services that I do also provide is home staging. I do work closely with a lot of realtors and also sellers. So I just completed home staging a property in Watertown, Massachusetts. That's a little over about 1,700 square feet of space, and it's pretty big for a condo. It has 3 bedrooms, an office space, 2 bathrooms, an upstairs attic for a master bedroom. So usually when I work with a realtor or the seller of the property, I do give extra design tips, not just staging. I would suggest certain modification, such as the paint colors, tile work, or sometimes if they do major renovation before selling, I would help them with those modifications as well. Or before staging, it's already impactful. I do want to put it out there that as an interior designer, being hired as a home stager is a major plus for a lot of realtor and seller. So with this project, I was notified at a very short time, so I wasn't able to make any major changes or suggest a different color to the wall or like tweak things a little before I go in and stage the property. But it is what it is, and we just have to work with what we got. And it took us about a week to complete the whole task. Usually it is a 2 weeks process when it comes to home staging, starting from the beginning, where I do go measure, give them a quote, and then create a design, making sure we have all the artworks and accessory, and the furniture selection that I choose is the scale that we need. Most homeowner, like for them to sell the property, they usually just stick with white paint, so you'll see a lot of white paint. So our major challenge is to make the staging more impactful, and you know, it has to do with a lot of like how you place things into the space, and so you'll see that in the after photo. So continue to watch this video so you can see the empty space before and after we staged. So my intern and I really bust our butt for this one to make sure everything runs smoothly, especially on our part, and then making sure it gets on the market on a timely basis. If you are interested in this property, I am going to leave a link down in my description box for you so that you could contact the agent directly. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!